Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you what are the best practices for uploading videos on Facebook, especially what are the best practices for real video uploading on Facebook business page or Facebook page. If you follow the best practice, your video will get maximum view or can more possibility to be viral the video. Okay, click on dashboard, then click on content, then filter here reels. Then if I open this reel and scroll it down, then you will see tips for better performance. Click see all. Here you have seen 11 out of 11 applied to this post. That means I have applied 11 best practices to these videos. Here you have seen first one, use few capital letters in your caption, remove links from captions. Third one, engage comment on your post. That means you have to reply your every comments and add your reel to a playlist. That means you have to create a playlist and add your reel on the playlist. Then write caption on your reel, then share it on the group and increase your video resolution, as well as you are using sound in this reel. Then you are using mobile friendly aspect ratio 1:1 or 4:5. Then use creative tool in your content and also add hashtag in this reel. That means we have to add some hashtag which is related to your video or to your reels. Okay, if you think this video is very helpful for your business page growing or Facebook growing, so don't follow to forget us. If you watch it on YouTube, never forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone.